Unfortunately, strokes are very common. They're the third leading cause of death in the United States. They're the #1 cause for disability in the United States, and they account for 1 in 16 deaths overall. The most common warning signs that a patient could have with stroke-like symptoms is weakness or numbness on one side of the body, trouble speaking, dizziness, sudden severe headache, confusion, or trouble speaking. It's very important if you're a patient and you have stroke-like symptoms to immediately come to the emergency department. To take a step back, basically what a stroke is when the vessel that is supplying the brain, the blood flow is stopped. When that blood flow is stopped, this important oxygen and nutrients does not go to that part of the brain. There's two types of strokes. One is a stroke where the blood vessel has a clot, and that clot or clog is called an ischemic stroke. The second type of stroke is called a hemorrhagic stroke, which basically that blood vessel is leaking. It is important to see an emergency department immediately, because the sooner that blood flow is restored, the sooner the brain gets oxygen and nutrients it needs. If not treated in time, it can lead to permanent disability or death. Shawnee Mission Medical Center Emergency Department is a 40-bed emergency room. Not only do we have the back end of a 504-bed hospital, but we also have many subspecialists and subspecialists at our disposal. Shawnee Mission Medical Center takes care of a lot of medical emergencies, so we're trained in taking care of these patients, and we're experienced in taking care of these patients. If you come to Shawnee Mission Medical Center, be assured that you're in the right hands. There's an important organization called Joint Commission. Their job is to make sure that a hospital meets certain strict criteria, that they are the top level elite hospitals that is certified in taking care of strokes. Shawnee Mission Medical Center has that designation. So if you're a patient or your family member is being cared for at Shawnee Mission, be assured that you're being taken care of by the best. At Shawnee Mission Medical Center, we have the experience to take care of every kind of medical emergency. We have the experience because we are a high volume ER. We see over 50,000 patients a year. In addition to that, we're still grounded in being a community hospital that takes care of our friends, our family, our neighbors. We're also grounded in being a faith-based hospital. I'm Joseph Reuben, the Emergency Room Medical Director at Shawnee Mission Medical Center.